Welcome to Workshop 5, Dare to Lead. What do you think of when you picture a great leader? Fame? Power? Money? Or is it something else? In this workshop, you'll learn the stories of some inspirational leaders who have made the world a better place. The first reading is about teens who put their passion into action to solve real-life problems. Then you'll read about a former child soldier from the African country of Uganda who helps other child soldiers turn their lives around. The third reading offers lessons from 3 world-famous leaders who changed the course of history. And in our video story, you'll meet Jeffrey Canada, a visionary leader in New York City who's using his talents to improve the lives of some of New York's poorest children. What do all these people have in common? Against the odds, they dared to lead.